Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals that they got for this 4th of July weekend. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make for to review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform by subscribing and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Guys, we got a lot of toolboxes on this store. They have them mostly outside. They got some grills there on the outside too. $19 for this Makita X-Lock 4.5 segmented. Then you got $27.97 for this diamond. Then you got some discs here for $9.97. These are from Diablo, I believe. And then you got this one for $179. That's one of the X-Lock grinders. Then you got a corded for $89, and then you got another one for $159. Then they got this ratchet straps from Husky. So really nice for $9.97. It's a 12x1. Ratchet tie downs. I really like the big handle. And this is what's left over from the Joby days. So pretty much they got the speaker, they got the Dremel tool, they got those lights. So most of those stuff is what's left over basically. They don't have any battery deals or anything, or the battery promos anymore. All they have is these items here. So they're not too bad if you're on the lookout for something like this. That's a nice little speaker there. And they got some AC. Gets really hot here, so $34.97. I think that's a really good deal. Usually we see this for like 40 or 50 bucks. So I guess it's good that it's on sale. $12.97 for the 12-inch tool bag from Husky. It's a nice tool bag. Pretty much for something small. $19.88 for the 2-pad Fat Maxes. 25 foot. So for the pretty much the standard, the best ones there is, probably not the best ones there is, but the longer lastings basically. You got some blades there, some knives, some folding knives. $4.97, and then you got utility blades or utility knife. Got a backpack for $29.88. Pretty rugged. I like the bottom of this thing. It has a lot of rubber on the bottom. Then you got some universal extensions, accessories. $14.97, your choice, 9-piece or 11-piece. Socket, you got chrome or black. And you got the Milwaukee fan for 79 bucks. And then you got this nice kit. It's a real chalk kit for $19.97. This was left over pretty much from the Milwaukee section. And then you got $249. They're still running this deal, guys. This is definitely a great deal. If you're looking for a circ saw, you got the rear handle or the side winder for $249 with 2 batteries. And plus you get 2 free amp hours. So you get a total of 4 batteries with the saws there. So definitely check it out. Great deals there. Then you got the speaker there for $119. Got a 2 amp hour battery for 89 bucks. So you can tell how much they are expensive. Then you got the 5s, the 2-pack of 5s that you get for free for $199. Got the sander for $119. You got the the router for $129. Then you got the saws there at the bottom for $249. Those are the side winders. They don't have any rear handles. Got the reciprocating saw, $199. $249 for the saw. I do have that saw, by the way. If you guys haven't checked out the video, make sure you guys check it out. $349 for the compressor, Milwaukee. Then $349 for the framing. Impact driver, drawer driver for $199. You got the circ saw for $179. You got 18-gauge brad nailer, $279. You got a rear handle circ saw, $269. It's a beast. That's also a beast. And then you got the jigsaw there, $199. You got the rubber lights, $169. And then this is on clearance, guys. So that's the Super Hog, 13 amp, $185 from $369. It's on clearance. It's the 1/2 inch high powered right angle. And they had this one on clearance too. It's the for $100 from $199. Battery source separately. It's an adhesive gun, 10 ounce, 300 milliliters. $16.98 for the black tees from Carhartt. They do have that pocket there. Got different colors. They got black. They got a lot of these here, and then they got a few of these Carhartt sweatshirts or hoodies. $49.99. That's the extra large. And got some more over here. I really like the letters on the side of the arm. Then you got some Milwaukee's here. No price on these. But yeah, these are the black ones. $139 for the rolling toolbox. Guys, I think they raised the prices on these. $109 for the cooler. $29 for the organizer, the slim low profile, or the smaller ones. Then $79 for the small box. Yeah, I think these prices went up. Then $44 for that the worktop, the customizable worktop. Then they got the slim organizer, $44.97. I believe this one was $34, or was gonna be $34. I don't know. They raised the price. Then you got the radio here for $329. Yeah, because that rolling toolbox was $129, I believe. So I don't know. And they got this pack out light for $199, 2 only. You got some more mounting plates there for $29.97. Then they got the screwdriver, the installation driver, $229. Then they got the rotary there for $89. M12, by the way, this is all M12 stuff. And you got the right angle there for $199. You got the batteries for $69. I believe they're smaller batteries, and you got $119 for a 6, I believe. You got a tape measure there for $19. And then you got a circ saw there for $149. I don't know if that's the fuel or not. $129 for the drill driver, impact driver for $229. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys did go to Home Depot and look at those prices. Did these prices went up actually in every Home Depot, or is it just this one? So I don't know. $3.99 for the rigids, and then $5.99 for the fuel miter saws. And they got $7.99. This is battery operated and corded, so this guy never goes down in price. This is the newer one. And then they got this M18 fuel 21-degree framing nailer. I was just looking at it. I think it's really nice. It's heavy though. Those are the modes. I guess it has the auto mode and the 1x1 mode, basically the rapid fire, whatever you want to call it. So, but it's nice, but it's kind of heavy. Imagine if it had a battery in there. That's the framing nailer from DeWalt, $3.99. Looks pretty nice. Then they got the pack out vacuum here. That's the one that I got. So if you guys want to check out the video on that, make sure you guys, I'll see if I can link it up above in the corner. And then that's the M12 vac, $119, I believe. And they got the Ryobi, I can't talk today, $109. Then they got the bucket head, $25.97. It's a vacuum with a bucket, basically. Then they got the dust stopper. If you guys do a lot of woodworking and stuff like that, you want to save on those bags and those filters, use this with the bucket. $39.97. It'll trap pretty much all the bigger stuff. $9.97 for this DeWalt 30 piece. You got some nut drivers there. You got some 1-inch bits. You got some 2-inch bits, Phillips. Got some stars and some squares. Then we got, looking at the MX line, this is a really nice line. It's expensive though. I wish I could, these drop in price or something so we could get a hold of some of these tools. But look at the size on this battery, $2,499. So yeah, obviously this is for a pro. You can rent it pretty much at the Home Depot too. That's the one key. And there to the right is the connector for the hose, so you can connect the water on it. That's the button on the back, so you can turn it on and off. Yeah, but that thing's huge. It's massive. You can see my hand right there and the battery beside it. And that's another battery there by itself. Like I said, it's massive. And then they got the jackhammer there, the demolition hammer. That's the battery on the back and the button there to turn it on. Yeah, these tools are massive. I really like the generator, the portable generator. $309 for the Lincoln 8 torch. So it's pretty much like a torch kit or something like that. I'm not into welding, so excuse my welding knowledge. Got the Lincoln electric multi-welder, $7.99. And then you got the 180 weld pack, $7.09 from Lincoln. And then you got the 140 there for $5.49. That's the wire feed welder. So you guys see there from Lincoln Electric. Then you got the Flux Corded 90 for $199. Alright, we got a few Milwaukee items here. This is $199. This is a M18 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour starter kit. It's on clearance for $199. I don't know if they're going to give you the free tool. I'll probably just wait until it drops down in price and try it out. Hopefully it'll drop down in price and they still give you the free tool. That would be nice to get. They've done that before, so just keep an eye out for that. And then $299. This one's on clearance. I don't know what's the deal with this. There's mixed reviews out there. Some of the guys are saying that it leaks. Some of the guys are saying that it's good. So I don't know. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys use or know anybody that has that backpack from Milwaukee. And then they got this 3-tool combo kit for $349 from $399. It's a pretty good deal. It does include batteries, 2 4 amp hour batteries, an impact driver, impact wrench. I believe it's a high torque impact wrench, and a drill XR. Those are all great tools. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make sure to review videos, so we YouTubers some platform by subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one.